With all that being said, I'm just too damn busy for YouTube anymore, and I just decided to shut down the channel until further notice. It has been almost 9 months since I posted on this channel, and a lot of people have been wondering, what's happened? Where did I go? So in this video, I wanted to give you guys an update on where I've been, what I've been working on, and what's gonna happen on this channel next. So where have I been and what have I been working on? Well, for one, my wife and I went to Japan for 3 months with our 2 kids. My daughter is 4 years old now, and my son just turned 2. And my wife and I really haven't taken a break since they've been born. So this was like our first real family vacation in years. And we went to Japan because my wife and I were stationed out there in Okinawa for 4 years while I served in the Marine Corps. And we really missed it. Just like anyone who's ever been to Japan will tell you how much they miss the place, from the food, the people, the culture, the sights. It's just a fantastic place. So we took a trip for a few months and we indulged and reminisced over all our favorite food spots, beaches, cafes, and we even met up with a few of our old friends. And of course, I ate more sushi go around, Coco's curry, yakiniku, shabu shabu, ramen, soba, and Japanese food than you can imagine. とても美味しかったですね. And that was just such an awesome experience and time for my family and a great break to get away from the day-to-day. I love what Jim Rohn says. He says, sometimes you've just got to get away and take some time to reflect on your life. And that's exactly what I did. And now for what I've been working on, a lot of people don't know because I don't like to flex or anything like that, but I run a handful of different companies, from credit repair, business funding, marketing consulting, and I also have an investment portfolio with rental properties. I do fix and flips. I have a stock portfolio, crypto. I do watch trading on the side and affiliate marketing. I'm all over the place when it comes to making money, guys. And over the past few months, I've built out our funding department and our credit repair company as well. And I've hired 10 new team members and trained them all on sales, marketing, operations, and fulfillment. And we're currently funding more than $3 million a month for our clients. And as for the credit repair company, we've completely revised our team, our pricing, our processes so that we could provide better credit repair results and deletions for our clients by leveraging consumer law strategies. And so our service did become a little bit more expensive, but that comes at the cost of getting better results for our clients. And really, that's all we care about, is getting results for our clients. So really, over the past few months, I've been managing my 7+ different income streams, my investments, my businesses, and I'm even currently in the process of purchasing an existing franchise business in my neighborhood and getting an SBA loan to make that purchase. So as you can imagine, that's been pretty time consuming as well. With all that being said, I'm just too damn busy for YouTube anymore, and I just decided to shut down the channel until further notice. And we're back, open again. I'm just messing with you guys. I'm not going anywhere, and I'm actually planning on dropping some epic videos in the next few weeks, showing you guys my different income streams and how they work, and keeping you guys posted on all the various different ways that I make money and how you can make money too. So what are we going to do next? I've been going so hard on business funding for the last 5+ years, and it's kind of burnt me out. I've already discussed business funding on a daily basis with the new bankers that I add to our network. I talk about business funding on a daily basis with our existing clients. I talk about funding every single day with my team members. And to add on to all of that, I get to discuss business funding all the time here with you guys on YouTube. So while I love discussing business funding, I really do miss speaking about all aspects of business finance and investing. My journey into business credit all started with a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I read that book when I was about 14 years old, and I fell in love with finance and investing, and it led to me learning about leveraging debt and other people's money to make investments and acquire assets to start and scale businesses. And it gave me a business and investor mindset. It also led to me following in Robert Kiyosaki's footsteps and enlisting in the United States Marine Corps, which completely changed my life forever in so many different ways. And I'm so thankful to the Marine Corps and all the Marines I served with for that. So with that being said, moving forward, I want to teach all aspects of business, finance, and investing, not just focus on business credit. And we'll still do the occasional business credit video, lender recommendations, what banks are lending right now, data points, and so on. But I really want to branch back out to my roots of finance and investing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're just getting started, and I'm so excited to help everyone watching this channel revolutionize their financial destiny. As always, guys, links for credit repair and business funding, as well as working with my team one-on-one, are in the description below and in the pinned comments. This is Credit with Colin, and I'll see you guys on the next one.